What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Galore, and I'm back again with another video, a hair video. Today we have hairspells. What came inside of this was they gave me some lashes, coupon for your next order. Then they gave me the units, which is a 22-inch Indian 100% human hair. And I believe this is a 5x5, but I'm not really sure. But you already know the information, all the accurate information is in the description box. I just can't remember off the top of my head. It feels so good. I love a straight wig. Y'all know me, I love a middle part and a straight wig. I'm not bleaching tonight, so I am just gonna put makeup on the inside. I got a cap that actually matches my skin tone perfectly. I'm gonna ball my ponytail up in here. Hold on. So boom. I'm gonna just put makeup in here. It's my color now.
I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. But my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, we gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gonna talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you.
So what I'm about to do is define my part a little bit better. I just got makeup everywhere.
Take your time killing me, bro.
Boom. All you need is a little part, okay? You don't need no big fat ass part. Oh, y'all see how flat it is? Yeah. I think I want a middle baby here. The side one. These are my best friends when it comes to edges, okay? I think I told y'all that before. This is a 22 inch. 22 inch, I'm gonna show y'all where it stops. A 22 inch. And this is Hairspells. Highly recommend this because I didn't even have to touch this hair. I love it when I could just pull it out and just do what I need to do. Whew. Alright, you guys. Links to this will be in the description box. Y'all already know what to do. Hit that description box and I'll catch you guys in the next hair video.